Here we have a 2007 Robalo R240, and I'm going to do a walkthrough video of this boat here to show you what this boat looks like and is all about. Clean keel, some scratches. Most of these look like they can be buffed out. Propellers are in good shape. These are stainless steel that were painted. That's why they look like that. This looks like it's on the surface. That's a divot there. Alright, we'll go aboard. I believe over 700 hours, a little over 700 hours on these two Yamaha F-150s. Pull up cleats. Live well. Good latches. Seat does need to be redone. Overall, in pretty good shape. Dash looks like it's in real good shape. Oh, the head is locked. These cushions up here are a little bit rough. Some standing water in the bilge. The bolsters are actually pretty good. Fiberglass looks like it's in real good shape. And this is the quick walkthrough video of this Robalo 240.